ID to rule them all, one ID to find them, one ID to bring them all in the darkness, bind them. Visually, it looks great, and JetBrains has already proven that they can create a quality product, but there's this overwhelming reason not to change. According to their facts, upon their release, the free version will be limited in features and non-commercial only. All the while, Visual Studio Code has the holy trifecta: free for commercial use, open source, and extensions everywhere. Fleet just leaves a lot of, unanswered questions. Being completely fair though, they did just release for public review at the time of publishing this video, so let's go ahead and install Fleet and take a look under the hood. In order to install Fleet, you have to first download their App Manager toolbox. Kind of annoying, but they're not the only company doing this. Adobe. Sorry about that. Anyways, and it does launch quick, just as advertised, but I don't know that I'd call it lightweight. The JetBrains toolbox takes up over 300 megabytes in the background, not including Fleet itself.
Thought we wouldn't notice, but we did.
We're able to bring up the tools with Control plus T, and then the terminal by searching for, terminal, and clicking on it. Next, we'll create a React app, and then we'll test their IntelliJ, which should really be the star of the show here. Now we'll open our project folder and give IntelliJ a test drive. So let's go ahead and click on the Thunderbolt and enable Smart Mode. Speeding this up here, but it took 1 minute and 30 seconds from clicking the button until Smart Mode had finished indexing the project for use. And of course, we do want these features, because features. So let's go and try a use effect, because Chainstar, if we're doing React, we're going to use that. Click there. Well, that didn't do what I wanted. Okay, so let's try this. Nope, still nothing. Surely not. This, like a good software engineer, let me use my knowledge base here. Okay, so we need to go Control-Alt-S here for plugins. Scroll down through here. Oh, wait. That's right. Plugins are not enabled. Well, that didn't go how I expected.
You shall not pass!
Now, Fleet does support a multitude of languages right out of the box, including Python, Java, JavaScript, TypeScript, and a lot of others. So checking the matrix here, we can see exactly what to expect, or rather not expect, as we just found out, from the Smart Mode. It's nice to see a plethora of features currently under development. Knowing what we know now, it will probably be worth checking Fleet out in greater detail once plugins are available. But until then, I don't know that I'd make the change. Let me know your thoughts below.